Welcome back to Quick Tech Bytes, where we break down tech topics in bite-sized videos. Today, we are talking about artificial intelligence with Python. If you're a developer or someone curious about AI, stick around because Python is one of the best languages to start with when working with AI. So, why Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages for AI development. Why? First, it's super easy to learn and has a simple syntax, which is perfect for beginners and experts alike. But the real magic is in Python's powerful libraries, which make building AI models much easier. Let's look at some key libraries. TensorFlow and Keras. These two are fantastic for building deep learning models. TensorFlow is developed by Google and is known for its performance and scalability. Keras, built on top of TensorFlow, makes it simpler by offering a user-friendly API. Scikit-learn, this is a go-to for machine learning tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. It's great for working with traditional machine learning algorithms. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, PyTorch is another popular deep learning framework that many AI researchers prefer because of its flexibility and ease of debugging. Building AI with Python is exciting. Whether you want to work on image recognition, natural language processing, or predictive analytics, Python's libraries have you covered. Here's a quick breakdown of the steps involved. Data collection. AI models need lots of data to learn from. You'll gather datasets either from online sources or create your own. Pre-processing data. Cleaning and organizing data is key. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy are perfect for handling data efficiently. Training the model. Once your data is ready, you'll train your AI model using frameworks like TensorFlow or Scikit-learn. The model learns by finding patterns in the data. Testing and deployment. After training, you'll test your model's accuracy, tweak it as needed, and then deploy it into an application. The combination of Python and AI is only going to grow in the future. With Python's expanding libraries and AI's rapid advancements, we can expect more sophisticated models and applications. From self-driving cars to advanced virtual assistants, Python will continue to play a major role in AI's development. That's a quick look at artificial intelligence with Python. Whether you're a developer or just getting started, Python is a great language to explore AI. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Tech Bytes for more tech insights. Have questions or want to learn more? Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.